Welcome to ShinyTiny, your ultimate destination for fun and fascinating science. Have you ever dreamed of traveling to the future or visiting the dinosaurs? Well, today, we'll explore the mind-blowing science behind time travel. Time is something we experience every day. But what exactly is it? Imagine it as a never-ending river, always flowing forward. But could we ever swim against the current? The genius Albert Einstein gave us a clue with his theory of relativity. He said time moves slower when you're traveling really, really fast. So, astronauts moving at near-light speed could age much slower than people on Earth. Good news. Traveling to the future is scientifically possible. If you boarded a spaceship and traveled near the speed of light, time would slow down for you. By the time you return, Earth could be hundreds of years older. But going back in time is tricky. What if you traveled to the past and accidentally changed history? This is called the grandfather paradox. Imagine stopping your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. Would you even exist? Scientists believe wormholes, tunnels in space-time, might allow instant time travel. But do they actually exist? No one knows for sure. Building a time machine sounds like science fiction, but some scientists are already exploring ways to manipulate space-time. Could we ever create a real time travel device? Maybe one day. So, what do you think? Will humans ever master time travel? Whether it's to explore the universe or fix past mistakes, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for exploring the science of time travel with ShinyTiny. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. If you could time travel, where would you go? See you next time, time travelers.